Today we're diving into a hot topic, non-stick utensils. You might love them for their convenience, but there's more to the story. Let's explore 12 reasons why non-stick cookware might not be the best choice for your kitchen. Number 1. Chemical coatings. Most non-stick pans are coated with polytetrafluoroethylene, or PTFE, commonly known as Teflon. This chemical can break down at high temperatures, releasing harmful particles into your food and the air. Before we go any further, shall we look at several popular alternatives to Teflon? The first one is ceramic-coated pans. They are free of PFAS and toxic chemicals and don't release fumes when heated. However, some say ceramic coatings are less durable than PTFE-based coatings. It all depends on how you care for them. Silicone is a synthetic rubber that's often used in bakeware and kitchen utensils. Silicone glaze is applied to the surface of pans and baking trays to increase their non-stick properties. However, silicone glaze is more likely to flake off than Teflon, and baked goods may contain burnt particles, so better to avoid them. Enamel utensils have a thin layer of glass that works similarly to Teflon, but without the toxins. Enamel cast iron pans are often used because bare cast iron needs to be maintained. Other alternatives to Teflon include cast iron and stainless steel. They both last a long time. The only disadvantage is the cost. This video is based on research, and you can find the link to them on the comments page. Number 2. Toxic fumes. When heated above 500 degrees to 60 degrees, non-stick pans can release toxic fumes. These fumes can cause flu-like symptoms in humans, including headaches, fever, and body aches. It's called Teflon flu, and it's no joke. Wait, there is 10 more, but do not forget to hit the like button if you have found this video useful so far. Number 3. Danger to pets. Those fumes we just talked about? They're even more dangerous for our furry friends, especially cats and dogs. In some cases, leaving an empty non-stick pan on high heat for just 2 minutes can create enough fumes to be fatal to birds. Number 4. Cancer concerns. Some studies have linked chemicals used in non-stick coatings to an increased risk of certain cancers, including testicular and kidney cancer. While more research is needed, it's definitely something to keep in mind. Number 5. Environmental impact. The chemicals used in non-stick coatings like PFOA and PFOS are persistent in the environment. They don't break down easily and can contaminate water sources and wildlife. Number 6. Microplastic release. Recent research has shown that non-stick pans can release tiny plastic particles, called microplastics, into your food. A 2022 study found that thousands to millions of these particles could be released during cooking. Number 7. Reproductive health issues. Exposure to chemicals from non-stick cookware has been associated with fertility problems and pregnancy complications. Some studies have linked it to low birth weight babies and pregnancy-related hypertension. Number 8. Thyroid problems. The chemicals used in non-stick coatings have been connected to thyroid disease. Your thyroid plays a crucial role in regulating your metabolism, so this is a serious concern. Number 9. Weakened immune system. Some research suggests that long-term exposure to these chemicals can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Number 10. Liver issues. Studies have shown a potential link between non-stick chemicals and liver inflammation. Your liver is vital for detoxifying your body, so keeping it healthy is super important. Number 11. Cholesterol concerns. Exposure to non-stick chemicals has been associated with higher cholesterol levels. High cholesterol can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 12. Limited lifespan. Even if you're careful, non-stick coatings wear down over time. Once they start to flake or peel, you'll need to replace the pan to avoid ingesting the coating. This not only costs you money, but also creates more waste. But wait, you might be thinking, didn't they fix these problems? I heard they banned the bad chemicals. Well, you're partly right. In 2015, many manufacturers phased out the use of PFOA in non-stick cookware. But here's the catch. They often replaced it with similar chemicals that may have the same risks. We just don't have enough long-term data on these new chemicals yet. So, what about the alternatives? Stainless steel, cast iron, and ceramic cookware are all great options. They might require a bit more oil or care in use, but they don't come with the same health and environmental concerns. Let's talk numbers for a moment. Did you know that almost 70% of people in the UK and USA have non-stick pans in their kitchens? That's a lot of potential exposure. And get this, non-stick coatings can start to break down at temperatures as low as 464 to 240 degrees. That's not even as hot as you'd use to sear a steak. Now you might be wondering, how bad could it really be if I'm careful? Well, A study published in the journal Environmental Science and Pollution Research International found that even when used as directed, non-stick cookware can release gases and chemicals that are mildly to severely toxic to people. But don't panic if you've been using non-stick pans. The key is to make informed choices moving forward. If you do use non-stick cookware, here are some tips to minimize risks. 1. Never preheat an empty non-stick pan. 2. Keep cooking temperatures below 500 degrees Celsius. 3. Use wooden spoons and utensils to avoid scratching the surface. 4. Replace pans if the coating starts to peel or flake. 5. Avoid using non-stick cookware for longer than 45 minutes at a time. Remember, it's not just about your health. The chemicals used in non-stick coatings can persist in the environment for years. They've been found in water sources, wildlife, and even in the blood of people living in remote areas. By choosing alternative cookware, you're not just protecting yourself and your family, but also contributing to a healthier planet. In the end, the choice is yours. But now you have the information to make an informed decision. Maybe it's time to give that old cast iron pan a try, or explore some of the new, truly non-toxic cookware options out there. Your health, and the health of our planet, might thank you for it. So, next time you're in the kitchen, take a moment to think about what you're cooking with. It might just inspire you to make a change. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. On the screen, you see a few videos related to some other diabetes-related issues. Thanks very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking, and here's to healthier meals, both for us and for our environment.